my giveaway. We were just going to do this tactical pouch, which is filled with first aid supplies, basic first aid supplies. It's a digital jungle camo, but I decided to sweeten up the pot. Altoids fire kit I made myself, and this bad boy. It's a Condor BA7 pack insert. Hey guys, so this is the giveaway. I forgot to mention I threw in the compass, but you get the fire kit, the tactical pouch, jungle digital camo. It's fully stocked with basic first aid supplies, and the Condor BA7 pack insert. Pretty simple rules. We're going to run it till January 31st. We'll do the drawing on February 1st. Must be 18. Leave a comment below because I will use a comment generator to pick the winner. Best of luck to you all, and I appreciate you subscribing and watching my videos. It means a lot. And have an amazing night. Thank you guys. It's OD Green.